Welcome to Val's Sweet Kitchen. You can make a showstopper out of virtually any dessert with a sugar dome. And I'm going to show you how to make one without Isomalt, straight with regular sugar. So let's go have some fun. Take 50 grams of light corn syrup, zero that out, and take 50 grams of water, and then 100 grams of sugar, which is about a half a cup, a generous half a cup. But I always use a scale when I make my sugar domes. And then take this and heat it up to 300 or 310 degrees. Just give it one stir to mix the ingredients, and that's it. And while that's heating up, and it's going to happen quickly, you want to take 2 layers of plastic wrap and put them on your bowl. 1 layer isn't enough. This is very technical and difficult, but you can do it. It just takes a lot of practice. And then for your metal ring that you're going to put on top, lightly coat that with some cooking spray. There we go. So that way it won't stick to the sides. You want to be careful and don't go over 310 degrees because this is right at the temperature where it'll start to caramelize and turn brown. So if you want the lighter your dome, the closer you are to 308. You want to let it cool down to 212 to 217 degrees. This is very precise. Because if it's too hot, you're going to melt your plastic and put a hole right through it. So where are we at now? Yeah, I got a minute. There we go. Just roll it around. Roll it, let it go to the edges. And just hold it in place for 2 minutes to let it become rock hard. There you go, under its own weight, it'll come out. And because we greased it, it'll come right out. And there you go. The classic French tart is now a showstopper at your dessert table. Hope you had fun today. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and boop that bell.